Here's how to make the chickpea roast potato alternative alkaline version for one person. So you're going to be needing 1/4 a cup of chickpeas, what was dried and then soaked overnight and cooked, and that ends up being 3/4 of a cup of cooked chickpeas. And then you're going to need a teaspoon of coconut oil for sauteing, 1 small garlic clove minced, 1/4 of a small onion finely chopped, 1/2 a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 a teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon of fresh rosemary or 1/2 a teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme or 1/2 a teaspoon of dried thyme, sea salt to taste, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of spelt flour. So I soaked my chickpeas so they're all ready, but if you haven't, you need to prepare the chickpeas. Soak 1/4 a cup of dried chickpeas overnight in water. The next day, drain and rinse them. Cook the chickpeas by simmering them in water for about 1 to 1.5 hours until soft. Drain and set aside to cool slightly. Next, you're going to need to saute the onion and garlic. Heat coconut oil in a small pan over medium heat, add the finely chopped onion and minced garlic and saute for 2 to 3 minutes until softened. Now you need to mash the chickpeas in a bowl or food processor. Mash the cooked chickpeas until smooth or pulse in a food processor until they form a thick paste. Combine the ingredients. Add the sautéed onion and garlic mixture to the mashed chickpeas. Then add smoked paprika, turmeric, rosemary, thyme and sea salt. Mix well to combine. It should be looking something like this. Now transfer it to a bowl to mix. Bind with flour. Gradually add chickpea or spelt flour, starting with 1 tablespoon, and stir until the mixture holds together. If it's too loose, add more flour as needed, but the goal is to make a thick, cohesive mixture that can hold its shape when formed. When it holds together, form the roast potatoes. Shape the mixture into small, round patties or bite-sized pieces, similar to the size of roast potatoes. Then cook the roast potatoes. Either heat coconut oil in a skillet over medium heat, fry the patties or pieces until golden brown and crispy on all sides, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Alternatively, which I'm going to do, bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees C for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. Serve. Serve as a tasty, crunchy roast potato alternative with your Christmas dinner. If you want to see how to make any other healthy Christmas food, have a look at the playlist on screen now.